Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. I want to show you guys a little bit of damage on one of our tomato plants. I know we have a tomato hornworm. I've already seen him. I've seen the sign from him. Guys, they can absolutely strip a tomato plant in just a matter of days. So let me turn you guys around here real quick and I'll show you some of the damage. Alright, so we are up here on our back porch and we have a couple of cherry tomatoes planted in a mineral tub here. And you guys see how sparsely foliated this side of the plant looks. You see all of the vegetation has been stripped, the tops have been cut off. Let me see, we've even got half-eaten tomato there. I think there's another one down yonder. Yeah, there's one down there. That is classic tomato hornworm damage. You can see it from afar. Guys, it does not take much for these guys to get in, get a foothold, and absolutely destroy your tomato crop. Now, you're going to have these guys every year. This is in a spot where the chickens can't get to, so they cannot keep our tomatoes protected. But let me show you guys one more thing that'll let you know if we have hornworms on your tomatoes. Alright, guys, you may not know this, but if you look on your tomato plants and you see square logs of poop, you have a tomato hornworm. There's some more down there, some right over here. Guys, that is telltale damage and sign you have a hornworm eating your tomato plants. Now there's a lot of things that you guys can do to alleviate the tomato hornworms. I don't like using sprays. I don't like using pesticides. We try to keep everything as organic as we can around here. So if you want to go that route, you can. Definitely, you do what you have to do for your family and your garden. Around here, tomato hornworms make good fishing bait, and they also make a good chicken snack. And I have one more tip I want to show you guys a little later on these hornworms. A lot of times we'll just come out here and pick them off by hand. They're about 3 inches or so in length, so they're real easy to see. They're about the size of your finger, a little bit bigger. They're not going to hurt you if you touch them or anything, guys. So we go through and we just pick them off. Do you see him? He's very well camouflaged. Right here, trying to hide behind that tomato branch is a tomato hornworm. And you guys can see how big they are compared to my finger. And those two horns that they have going off the top, that's actually their backside. That's why they get their name, hornworm. This down here is his head. So, guys, he's just hanging out, eating on my tomatoes. Alright guys, so here's that hornworm. Like I said, they're not going to hurt you. They're a little bit thicker, like about the size of your thumb. They're real easy. Just pop him off. He's going to wiggle around a little bit. You guys can go ahead and dispose of these how you see fit. We like to turn them into chicken feed. So I have a neat little trick. If you guys have a lot of hornworms, this might actually help you guys out. Why don't you guys take a look at this? Alright guys, so we're back out here next to our tomato plant. It's about 8:30 in the evening with a light rain. We want to show you guys this little tip that we learned that really helps us find these hornworms quickly and very efficiently. You get yourself a black light and start looking around your plant. The hornworms will actually glow in the black light. You see how they really stick out compared to the leaves of the tomatoes? Guys, get yourself a black light and go pick off the hornworms on your tomato plants. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's that simple to fix one of these hornworm problems. It's not quite an infestation yet. We've had them where we had 5 or 6 hornworms on a single plant. This was only one hornworm on 3 plants over here. So guys, that's why you keep an eye on your garden. They can take over in just a matter of hours or days. Like here, this plant was totally foliated this morning. He's been going to town. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to let us know down below or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please shoot us a message. Till next time, guys, get out there and take a look at your plants. You might be surprised what's crawling all over them.